I'm Sean Helton, aka Sean with the Wild. I'm out here today with Ember Off Grid to show you how to take something like this and debark it, turn it into a 2-inch dowel with the Hammer Lathe system all at one time. Okay, before we get started, anybody ask, none of these trees that I cut here today were cut just for demonstration purposes. If I have to cut them, I always use them for something, and a lot of them come out of a thicket like this where the trees are too dense. You know, it just doesn't promote a healthy forest. So when I have to remove them, I just use them for educational purposes, or I use them to build something that I need. I've had a little bit of time with this thing now, and with any kind of new concept tool, you know, there's a little bit of a learning curve to it, and little tricks that you learn. And one of them that I've figured out on this is to cut a piece that's a little longer than what you actually need. And since the tree's natural growth is bigger at the bottom, smaller at the top, well, that leaves you enough room, you know, leave yourself enough room at the top to go ahead and get it started, kind of like that. Make plenty of room to put your hammer on there, and then you just start driving it down towards the bottom. And you could prop that up or hold it above your head. Let me try to get it in camera here. Leave that right there, bring you in for a little bit closer of a look. Okay, now I'll go ahead and slide this back off for just a second. As you can see, where it's a little bit smaller up on top, it didn't really start biting in. Then it started peeling the bark. And then as we get more down here towards the bottom, it starts taking some of the meat of the tree off as well. And when you get done, you'll have a perfectly symmetrical 2-inch shaft all the way up. And it's a lot quicker than debarking. If anybody's ever made any like rustic furniture or anything like that, or they just want some of their bushcraft builds to be a little bit cleaner, or they want to build something around the homestead that's going to last a little bit longer, you know, you spend a little bit of time with a draw knife or whatever debarking stuff, and then, you know, if it needed to be 2 inches for like a piece of furniture or something like that, you would have to spend a little bit more time draw knifing it down to that 2-inch size. So this takes a lot of work out of the process and makes it a little bit quicker. Nice 2-inch dowel. So there you have it, guys. I just knocked out another 2-inch dowel quickly and efficiently with the Hammer Lathe. You can check that out at emberoffgrid.com. How you get back to work.